With the world turning virtual, cyber attacks are constantly flooding new headlines. COVID-19 accelerated the current digital transformation, and the year 2020 witnessed several data breaches. Since technology has become more intertwined with our daily lives, it is no surprise that the need for skilled cybersecurity professionals is increasing. On that note, hey everyone, welcome yet to another exciting video by Simplilearn, which will take you through the top cybersecurity career options available today. But before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and that bell icon for interesting tech videos every day. There is a significant lack of skilled cybersecurity professionals who can tackle the cybersecurity challenges faced daily. Hence, a career in cybersecurity is demanding and equally rewarding. Finding the right career path in the cybersecurity industry isn't always easy. We are here to help you with that. There are a few prerequisites for a career in cybersecurity, the basic one being a bachelor's degree in a subject relating to cybersecurity. However, if you don't have a relevant degree, you can always take up relevant cybersecurity certifications and kickstart your cybersecurity journey. A few other skills like networking, knowledge of operating systems, and cloud security are required to start and grow your cybersecurity career. You can check out our video on the top 5 cybersecurity skills to know more. Cybersecurity jobs vary from entry-level to executive management and everything in between. There are several cybersecurity paths available today. It is best if you start with entry-level and then move on to the next level with the help of certifications and relevant experience. Here, let us have a look at the top 5 cybersecurity job roles today. The first job role is that of a network engineer. Network engineers construct and administer a company's computer networks. They are responsible for installing, configuring, and supporting network equipment. They also configure and maintain firewalls, switches, and routers. This entry-level cybersecurity job can help you start your journey to become an ethical hacker. The annual average salary of a network engineer in the US is $85,098, and in India it is around 510,000 rupees. Second on our list is Information Security Analyst. As an Information Security Analyst, your primary duty is to protect sensitive information. Information Security Analysts create and implement plans for preventing cyber attacks. They monitor data access and ensure compliance with policies. Depending on the cyber threat, they decide if it has to be resolved or escalated further. In the US, an Information Security Analyst earns $89,140 annually. And in India, they earn 6,42,756 rupees. Third on our list is ethical hacker. They are also known as penetration testers. They are network security consultants who identify and exploit system vulnerabilities just like how a hacker would do. They probe and test the network using various penetration tools and software. They also design new penetration tools and document the test results. In the US, a certified ethical hacker earns around $93,000 on an annual average basis, and in India, they make around 5 lakh rupees. The fourth job role that we are going to talk about is security architect. Security architects research and plan the security elements for their organizations. They design robust security structures that are capable of preventing malware attacks. A security architect approves the installation of routers, VPN, and firewalls. Their duties go beyond just architecture building and including formulating company procedures, guidelines, and user guides. Security architects in the US make a handsome sum of $124,000 a year on an average, and in India, they make nearly 21,80,000 rupees. And finally, fifth on our list is Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. They are senior level officers in an organization. They ensure the safety of the information they develop, implement and maintain information security and risk management programs. They also interact with stakeholders and regularly brief them with information security concerns. The average annual salary of a Chief Information Security Officer in the States is a whopping $165,000 annually, and in India, it is 22,22,845 rupees. Several companies are looking for skilled cybersecurity professionals. Philips, Siemens, Google, Microsoft, and GE, to name a few. With passion, the right amount of experience, and relevant certifications, you can grow your cybersecurity career. You can check out Simplilearn Cybersecurity Expert Master's Program to equip you with the necessary skills needed to become an expert in this rapidly growing domain. This course will help you learn various methods as to how you can protect your infrastructure, secure your data, run risk analysis, achieve compliance, and much more. So with that, we come to the end of this video on the cybersecurity career. Think we missed anything important? Do let us know in the comments section below. Thank you so much for being here, and do watch out for more videos from us. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.